everyone, so for today's video, I want to share with you some information about VA Hub. So they're actually hiring beginners. Kahit no experience, pwede kang mag-apply dito. And nag-offer pa sila ng free training once na na-hire ka nila. At hindi lang yan, their salary is pretty competitive. Magugustuhan nyo talaga. So, stay tuned until the end so you'll catch all the details.
Okay, let me introduce to you first kung sino ba si VA Hub. So, VA Hub is a leading provider of highly skilled Filipino virtual assistant. So, nagpo-provide sila ng mga Filipino virtual assistants across North America or US and Canada. So, serving various industries such as real estate, marketing, insurance, sales, and more. So, si VA Hub is a Filipino company which is they have international clients na nangangailangan ng mga Filipino virtual assistants. So essentially, they operate like a manpower agency connecting with their international client directly. So once na na-hired ka ni VA Hub, they assign you to a client. So based yun sa qualifications and position na nag-fit sa'yo. Alright guys, let's check out the qualification that they're looking for. So the first one here is no VA experience required. So kung nagsisimula ka pa lang or beginner ka pa lang or wala ka pang virtual assistant experience, okay lang yun kasi pwede kang mag-apply dito. Next here is permanent work from home setup. You can earn dollar here and they provide training, which is really good lalo na dun sa mga beginners na wala pang experience kasi this gives you confidence lalo na kapag may training na ibinibigay sa inyo, diba? Okay, for their starting salary, naka-indicate here that for full-time VAs, it's $770 per month or naglalaro yan to 40 to 45,000 pesos, and for the part-time VAs, that would be $385 per month or to 20,000 plus, 20,000 plus, ganun, siguro ganun yan. So they also have 10 paid annual leaves, and on top of their basic package or basic salary, meron pang mga various incentives na ibinibigay. This is based on your performance and based din sa client mo. Lalo na kapag halimbawa sales yung nahawakan mo, baka may mga commission pa yan. Next is, of course, free virtual assistant training for the successful screened applicants. So ito yung mga full-time and part-time virtual assistant na kailangan nila. So they need VAs for marketing, VAs for executive, for real estate and insurance. For skills and qualification, ito lang naman yung kailangan nila guys. First is excellent verbal and written communication skills. Siyempre, very important yan kasi yung mga magiging clients mo are based in US and Canada and they rely on their VAs to fluently communicate with your clients and siyempre sa mga customer nila, sa mga businesses nila para you can fulfill the task like setting up appointment, responding emails, cold calling, and other tasks na ibibigay nila sa iyo. Next is robust technical skills. So, dapat tech-savvy ka kasi ganun naman talaga. If you want to become a virtual assistant, diba, at least sana marunong tayo sa VA tools and resources na kailangan. Sa mga like Microsoft tools, mga Google Workspace, like that. On the use of computer, at least, or laptop, diba? So, remember guys that being tech-savvy, makakatulong yun para mapadali yung mo magawa yung mga virtual assistant task mo. It increase your productivity and help you manage time better, which is benefit for sa'yo and also to your client kasi you can work effectively and efficiently. But don't worry, dito naman sa VA Hub, they provide training. So, I'm sure they'll help you with the basic tools that you need to know. And also, they can provide you on how you can manage your account and how you can interact with your foreign client. Next is you should have a can-do attitude. So you should have highly confident and positive attitude to successfully complete the task assigned sa'yo sa work. So it's also important to take initiative when handling new tasks and challenges with confidence. Okay? And also, you should have the ability to follow direction. Syempre naman, 'di ba? Yung ganitong attitude, nag-aaral pa lang tayo, dapat marunong tayong mag-follow ng directions, right? So, most of the clients kasi sobrang busy sila. So, they're always on the go. Kaya nga sila nag-hire ng virtual assistant para makatulong sa kanila. Mapadali yung buhay nila. So, successful virtual assistant are those who can handle things independently and only ask questions when they really need to. Okay, and lastly, you should have a great analytical skills. So, a virtual assistant can spot issues, communicate clearly, and solve problems, whether it's simple or complex, using critical thinking. So, this skills is key for making solid decision that helps sa'yo and also the client. So, yun lang naman guys, no? So, what they need most is a good self-service mindset along with your willingness, of course, and commitment. So, that's all you really need to get accepted at VA Hub. For system requirements, of course, for computer or laptop, at least Intel Core i5 or ADM. For processor, it should have 8 gig RAM or higher. For internet connection, okay na yung 10 Mbps plan. Siyempre ngayon, yung current na ino-offer ng mga internet provider, minimum 50 Mbps na, right? So, okay. So, next is webcam. So, dapat may webcam. Very important yon sa mga meetings nyo with the clients. And of course, headset. So, it should have a retractable noise reduction microphone. Now, puntahan natin yung official VA Hub website. So, all you have to do is just to type VA Hub. And then, when you click it, makikita nyo yung the VA Hub. Ito yung official website nila. Yan din yung logo nila. Just have to click it. And then, after that, you'll be directed to this website. Just click nyo lang yung About Us and who we are. Kasi, as a virtual assistant, mag-a-apply tayo. And here is the official VA Hub website. The vahub.org. So, if you look on the left side, meron sila ditong video. So, it's all about ang history ng VA Hub, about sa company nila. Maganda kung panoorin nyo din yan para magkaroon kayo ng idea about sa company nila, about sa team, and meron din yung mga you can hear there some success story. And if we scroll down here, we can see here different information pa. So, here's a why switch to work from home setup? Syempre, you have better control over your schedule, leading to flexible work balance. Spend more time with your family, of course, diba? Avoid commuting. Syempre, less gas, less gastos, less traffic, less stress. And then, of course, you can earn money doing what you love. And also, you can pick up new skills since maraming tasks na ipapagawa sa'yo. And control your income. Syempre, kung gusto mong mas madaming money, then mag-accept ka ng mas madaming client. Pero kung gusto mong chill lang, then it's okay. 1 to 2 clients will be okay na. Okay, and here's my favorite one. Wear whatever you want, o diba? So, kahit wala ng laba-laba, wala ng ligo-ligo, basta okay na yung top. Diba? So, it's all about being your own boss with endless potential and greater satisfaction. Okay, so this is yung standard starting salary na ino-offer nila sa kanilang mga virtual assistants. So, $770 monthly. So, sabi dito, mag-i-increase pa yung rate mo per hour kapag naka more than 1 year ka na sa client mo. And they have also 10 paid annual leaves. And on top of the basic package, may mga various incentive pa silang binibigay. So, based on your attendance, based on your performance and output. And they have also part-time and full-time position available na pwede nyong applyan. O, diba? And also, here you'll find detailed information about possible duties and responsibilities for the position na gusto nyong applyan. For example, yung virtual assistant, there are 7 potential tasks that might be assigned to you, like email management, booking appointments with clients, following up with clients and or customers, calendar management search, hotel and flight booking, manage and update social media, and so on. So, however, you may only ended up handling 3 or 4 task depending on your discussion sa client nyo. So, hindi naman lahat yan ibibigay sa'yo. So, here are the other position na meron. So, lead management specialist. Ayan yung mga gagawin mo. For product sales specialist. Ayan yung mga possible duties and responsibilities. Marketing expert. So, possible yan yung gagawin nyo. And also, insurance virtual assistant. Now, once nakapili ka na ng gusto mong applyan, so for us to apply, you just have to go back dun sa pinakataas ng website and makikita nyo yung apply now button. You just have to click that one. And after that, once you na-click nyo na yan, you'll be directed to their application form. So, here you have to fill out information. You have to provide basic information like your full name, your phone number, your email address, and also I think your Skype account. Kailangan din kasi yan yung pinaka communication nila kapag may interview ka. And then, complete address mo, yung region kung saan ka nakatira, and how did you learn about VA Hub? Kung sa Facebook ba yan, or via search lang, or via Indeed. So, you'll have also to provide your birthday, your gender, and for the attachment, you can attach your resume and portfolio. For the portfolio, yung mga for graphic artist, yun naman yung mga design nila. Pero kung wala kang namang portfolio, you can attach your introduction video. Alright? All you have to do is just to attach those documents na kailangan nila and click I'm not a robot, and after that, you just have to submit application. Now, after nyo masubmit yung application nyo sa website nila, this would be the flow ng application nyo. So, step 1, yun yung na-provide nyo na yung basic information nyo and you submit it sa website nila, which is the application form. And after that, mapupunta na tayo sa step 2, wherein you'll receive a pre-qualification form via email. So that would be within 2 to 7 business days from the date that you submitted your application sa website nila. So this is just like a pre-assessment. So may mga questions doon and information na dapat yung sagutan. Once you're qualified applicant, you'll receive a response within 24 hours via email again with the details of your initial interview schedule and instruction in how to proceed. So, here, i-ask nila kayo na i-add nyo sila sa Skype kasi yung Skype yung communication na ginagamit nila for the interview, and then also you'll ask some information like yung specification ng device nyo. You have to send your speed test and also picture ng headset, and also you have to download Zoom kasi via Zoom yung interview na yung video conference na ginagamit nila. And after that, after receiving an email invite, you'll then continue to initial interview. Of course, yung tip natin dyan, dress to impress and always wear your best smile para, diba, magustuhan ka nila. at makapasa ka sa final interview, diba? So, after passing the initial interview, you'll be scheduled for the final interview. So, mag-i-email ulit sila about the final interview schedule and instruction na kailangan mong gawin. And since ginalingan mo, then you'll be directed to step 5 now, which is the pre-orientation. So, ibibigyan nila ulit kayo ng instruction about the schedule, and once everything is okay na, then training schedule bibigay na nila sa inyo. So, ibig sabihin, pag may training schedule na kayo, it means na talagang natanggap na kayo. So, on the day of your training, your trainer will conduct a profiling interview, which is the final recruitment process.
So there you have it, guys. O diba, napakadali and straightforward lang yung pag-apply dito sa VA Hub. Just submit your resume or CV sa kanila and make sure to include your contact information once nag-fill out kayo sa kanilang application form. So for more information, you can visit their social media platforms, sa kanilang Facebook, sa kanilang Instagram. They're very active and transparent doon. So if you have any question, drop a comment down below. I'll try to answer it. Alright? So thank you so much again for watching. So if you like this video, give us a thumbs up and syempre subscribe to my channel and hit that notification bell para updated kayo if I have new uploaded video about online job tips and tutorials. Okay, thank you. Bye!